did not penetrate into my bloodstream, did not disrupt my hormones. I was looking something for that. It actually claims that it absorbs into your skin in about 3 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds. Oh yes, it has. And it also has gotu kola extract, and maybe that's the reason it is giving you like a nice glow. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm straight out of the shower and I thought let's do the updated skincare routine. If you would have been following me from a very so I'm back, and the cleanser that I've been using and loving is by Ghar Soap, and this is their Ayurveda plus science, and it is their magic face wash. This is something, it's written right here. I absolutely love it. uh, the moment I used this, I could actually see like a glow on my skin. To be very honest, it really helped to cleanse the face without stripping off the oil. It really did not make my skin dry. And I was so stunned. So basically, I saw this all over Instagram, like so many ads and so many people raving about it. So I thought, let's, get my hands on it, and I got it, and I'm like so happy. It's really beautiful. If you're someone who's experiencing, tanning or dullness, you can totally check this out. And also this is quite affordable. It's for 399 rupees, and I think you get discounts on the Ghar Soap website, so you can go and check it out. I really like it. So the next step is a toner or a serum. I call this toner or a serum because the consistency of this product is very watery, but it is called a serum, and it is by Cosrx, and it is their 6 peptide skin booster serum. And I'm going to show you the texture of this product. So if you see, like I told you, it's very runny, very watery. So we're gonna take that, okay, and apply it on the skin. We're gonna take like 2 pumps of it, 2 to 3 pumps, and then you can build it up if you really want more moisture. So and more hydration. So never forget your neck because it is extremely important. So your face, your chin, and your neck, and also back of the ears. And all you have to do is just pat, and nothing else. Just pat, and your work will be done. So this is good. Now we're gonna wait for like few seconds or for few minutes, like a minute, and then move on to the next step. I really want this to just go in, and I don't want it to mingle up with another product. So I wait for like few seconds. I talk to myself and I'm doing this skincare, and I also like do my affirmation about skin, like my skin is glowing, my skin is like healthy. I also do that kind of a sort, and which means that at least a 30 seconds have passed by or gone by. So the next step is, I have also spoken about this product, and if you use this with the Cosrx peptide that we applied, it's like a game changer because it is such a wonderful product. So I'm talking about this. This is by the brand The Ordinary, and this is their Argiline Solution 10%. This helps and targets the appearance of dynamic facial lines. So, like I told you, that I am completely on an anti-aging routine where you work on your firmness, on your glowness, on your wrinkles, and all of those. So I have like minor wrinkle issues, minor, the aging wala issue, but still I really want to be like very careful because I am like in my early 30s. So I love to use it. Now this one, they say, is a Botox in a bottle, because when you go for a Botox, which I have heard and seen that they inject you, I think, to give you that firmness and to remove that wrinkle. So this product or this brand actually claims to do that with consistency for sure. Now this is something it looks like, and I'm just going to apply it on my palm. It's again watery, very, very watery. If I'm gonna like, it is just gonna drip off. So I'm just gonna again pat it. I like to pat it instead of just rubbing it on my skin. So it's something that I love. If you want few more drops majorly, you can use about 3 to 4 drops. That would be enough. But I love to like, layer it in case I think or feel of doing so. Otherwise, I stick to 2 pumps. It entirely depends on your choice. And majorly you have to focus like here because you get your lines here and also near your lip area, this part. So, and also don't forget your forehead because you get all your wrinkles like your fine lines here. So you have to be super, super careful. I think I should have tied my hair up, but theek hai. So this is my face right now. Again, we're gonna wait for like few seconds. And then we're going to move on to another product. So we've done our cleanser, we've done like a serum, and we've also done like the Argiline solution, which I may, what do I call, like an anti-aging product. So I've done that. Now next would be a moisturizer. Okay, so let's move to that. So the moisturizer is obviously, I've been using this for like, I don't know how for how many years, but I really really love this. So this is by Dr. Shade, and this is their Kesar and Kojic acid oil free moisturizer. It is usually used to hydrate your skin and also to fade pigments, and I completely agree. It really really helps to fade pigments. If you're someone who is who doesn't want like an anti-aging routine and just want to work on your pigmentation or your or basically your pigmentation and tanning, you can actually check this out. This is for like 349 rupees, and this would probably go for about a month or two depending on how much you're using. So gonna take like, I'm gonna show you how much I'm taking. I'm gonna take this much, okay? And I think while I was speaking, probably a minute is gone, but I'm gonna still wait. And then I'm gonna like apply it all over my face, my neck, my chin, and back of the ears. I'm gonna be super, super gently when I'm doing so. Also gonna tap, tap, tap. I don't know. I don't like to like put it the way everyone does. Everyone has their own method. So I like the patting bit because I feel that it just penetrates and gets absorbed very, very easily. So I love that. And I really don't want to like put a lot of products in there. So I'm sticking to the basic. And I think post this, there are 2 more steps, super easy. So let's move to that. But also make sure that this is like gone all in. So this is something the skin looks like right now. I don't do anything for my under eye. Okay, I just apply like the basic things that I'm doing. I'm just gonna apply it here because if it this says like this says that it is used to hydrate and to fade pigments, I think it will work there also. But I completely feel that your black your under eye, like your dark eye bags or your under eyes is dark because of the kind of lifestyle you're living. You work on your diet and it is just going to work on your skin too, because I think the darkness that is there have significantly reduced because of the hydration that I'm doing, like drinking different kind of tonics, like turmeric shots or the amla shots and the pepper shots and all of those with a lot of water. I take these shots like super occasionally and not every day, but I keep myself hydrated with water, which have really really helped working on my stress level. But will come there someday. But yeah, let's move to the final product on the skincare bit. Okay, so this is something that I have just got, and I got this yesterday. I was so amazed by the claims it made, and I was looking for some sunscreen which was beautiful and did not penetrate into my bloodstream, did not disrupt my hormones. I was looking something for that. And this is actually free from the old age filters. In case you have not seen my sunscreen wala video, I'm going to pop it right here or here, wherever. You should definitely go and check it out to understand that you're doing everything wrong when it comes to sunscreen. But I wouldn't say, I cannot give a final verdict to this product right now because I just got it yesterday. So I'm going to try it out, but I used it yesterday. I really like the fact like how super fast it was. It actually claims that it absorbs into your skin in about 3 seconds, okay? 3 seconds, and I'm so blown away by that. And yeah, I actually tried it and I made a shorts which I'm going to post super soon. So I made that and it actually, absorbed into my skin like so faster. Let us do this together over here. So I'm going to just put like a M. Is it like an M? Let's put another few things. Okay, just gonna put like a timer, or I'm just gonna say like 3 seconds and let's see if it gets absorbed. And then I'm gonna tell you the product name. Okay, I know that I missed that. So let's go. One, two, three. So one, two, and three. Can you see that? I tested it yesterday and I was like blown away. I mean, how did that get absorbed into my skin in like just 3 seconds? I was like, wow. So I really like it. And let's put it into the other side as well. I usually do like a 3 finger, but I really wanted to show you the 3 second bit, so I did that. And okay, let me tell you the name of the product. This is by V Body Wise, and this is their ultra light sunscreen with an SPF 50 plus with a PA plus plus plus. I'm gonna make a detailed video about this product after 2 weeks of usage. So subscribe if you really want to know about this sunscreen, and if you love my videos that I create, up to y'all. So yeah, so this claims so much. I mean, it has been tested. There are so many certification out there for this specific product. So I'm very amazed on how beautifully they have curated this product. So yeah, I like everything what they have said, but we really need to see if this really works or no. So just going to blend this in. It is super like lightweight, doesn't feel sticky, and if you also see, it gives like a nice glow. I think it has niacinamide in it, and that's the reason. Now I don't have like a package, but let's see if it has niacinamide. Can't see it on the ingredient list. Oh, yes, it has. And it also has Gotu Kola extract. And maybe that's the reason it is giving you like a nice glow. So we are moving to the final step. But before that, I kept the sunscreen on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes so that everything just seeps in. And then we're going to do the last product, which is our lip balm. Now, this is something is which is really beautiful. This is, by the way, by the NMF Lip Care. I know you wouldn't have heard about this, but I've also spoken about this product in some of my videos. It has SPF 40 plus. It has sun protection. It is dermatologist tested. It moisturizes. This for protection. It is for smooth, soft, and protected lips. It really helps if you're someone who stays at home and still wants a good SPF. This is something that you can use. I really love this product. It really helped me to fade away the pigments. If you see my lips right here, it was like so damn dark before, but I think I've come like a long way, and I have to give some credit to this one. I really like it. So I'm gonna apply this. And yeah, that's about it. Let me just come like a close up and show you how my skin looks like. So this is my like skin without any makeup. I've done it everything in front of you all. So I'm really happy with the kind of routine I have been uh, I have created for myself, and I really hope this helps you also. And if you really like such content, uh, please drop that. Please drop your views or any questions you have in the comment section below, because every comment that I receive, it's so amazing, because I'm like a beginner, and it is so um it just makes me so happy. So take time out, put that in the comments, put your views out. It would really help me grow. It would really help me understand like what kind of content you want to see, and I'm surely gonna make one for you all. So yes, with that, I really hope you like today's video, and you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe if you love my channel and you love this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love.